Well, today is Christmas, as you can see right here. Uh, yeah, and we're doing the third unboxing video now, I guess. Holy cow. Okay, I didn't before we start this, I want to clarify that I did not buy this. I got this as a present, so let's just open this, I guess. This is like a light. It's got like let's check out some of the features here. You can see that there's built-in charging. You can adjust the angle. You can have multiple devices, and there's like brightness. There's 480 LEDs with full color. I think if it can actually like change color or something, that would be like very cool. Let's look at the back of the box. I don't know how much this thing costs, but yeah. Anyways, we're gonna look at the features. There's an IR remote. There's an adjustable stand. There's a phone cradle, a carrying bag, and there's dual USB charging ports. So you can use this as like a USB charger. So it weighs. So the max capacity is 6 pounds. And you can see there. Very nice. There's two USB ports there, which of course we'll get into that later. So yeah, we're gonna just unbox this thing, and hopefully we don't, do anything stupid to it. So yeah, let's just unbox this thing. All right, so we're gonna I'm gonna cut this off, and then I'll be right back after I just cut this off. All right, so we just got these things open. So wait, wait, why is it not? Okay, I'm just so confused right now. Wait, you have to take it out like this. Okay. Oh, what? Okay, apparently this thing is just broken or something because it's not coming out. So we're just gonna tear open the box here. Here's the light. Okay, so we've got this thing, which I think is the stand. And I might actually be able to use this as I might actually be able to use this light as a tripod or something, because I've needed a tripod. We've got whatever this is. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is the carrying bag, because they did say there was a carrying bag in here. Okay, we're just gonna take this out. I'll be right back. Okay, so we got that out. Is there anything else in the box? Let's check. I don't think there is anything. Okay, there might be cables or something. Let's see if there's anything else in here. There's nothing else in the box, so it's only those two parts. So we'll just set the box aside here, and we'll get into this. All right, so wait. All right, so in the carrying bag, there's a couple of items here. You can see here, there's 3 stands where you can put your phone. So it's nice that they included 3 in here. I don't know why I would be using 3 stands. Maybe if I in the future get a camera or something like that, maybe I'll use 2 of them. I don't know why I would need 3 though, but it's still good to have an extra one, just in case one of them gets lost or one of them breaks or something. So yeah, it's pretty nice that they included 3 in here. So we'll just set that aside. Next up, we've got the power adapter. Apparently there's some other cables here. This looks like one end, and this looks like a giant brick, because of course there's not a power supply built into there. So we've got this giant brick. What does this use? USB-C or anything? This uses a barrel jack, which kind of looks like the one from the Dell, but the power supply, you can see that it is a power supply. Oh wait, I dropped it. Okay, let's hope. So yeah, it's very thick adapter. Oh, by the way, please ignore the my computer. The fan is very loud. So we're just gonna set these 2 items aside here. Then I already showed you the stand here. We've got the manual, which I will probably be needing, because I'm probably going to need this anyway. And we've got the light itself. So Yeah, where I'm gonna be putting this is I'm gonna be putting this on my second desk right there. You can see right there. For right now, I'm just gonna basically mainly use this as for like a light, but I probably will like use this thing, this stand like a bunch of times as like a tripod or something. Which is actually gonna be like very nice. I want to try to use this with my phone. I'm gonna see if my phone will even like fit into this thing. So yeah, I'll be back after, you know, testing that stuff. Alright, so I'm basically just going to try and set this thing up now. I'm not going to do a time lapse or anything because, of course, a tripod. I'm going to see if my phone can, like, fit onto, like, any of these with this stand. So, yeah. So one thing I forgot to show is that, the remote. Because I completely forgot about the remote. So let's just take it out of here, I guess. Pretty nice remote, I guess. The back. What type of batteries does it take? Okay, so there is no battery in here. It looks like this thing takes 2 AAA batteries. So yeah, I'm just gonna get this thing set up, and I'll be back once this is set up. I'm not gonna do like a time lapse of setting it up or anything. As cool as that would be, I would probably do that if I had like a tripod, which I might have. But another thing I found out is that for some reason, you see this here, I don't think my phone will fit onto this. So yeah, I'll be back once I get something accomplished, you know. So yeah. Well, we got it set up, and it looks very, very cool. This is the remote. You can like, you can't see the remote, but you know, I can change like the color if I want. So that's like pretty cool. It's gonna go great. This light is gonna go great. I'm gonna turn the brightness down. This light is gonna go great with the keyboard, which so yeah, these are all 3 things we unboxed this month. We've got the keyboard, the laptop, which yes, I'm still using, and the light, which so yeah, we've got all 3 of these products, which is just amazing. So yeah, thank you guys. So it's actually been like a day later, and I kind of want to showcase how this works. So this is the light, and like this is the remote, and you got on and off buttons, which are like really cool. You can turn it on, you can like change it with this, and there's even more options with this. You can like change, like you can like fine tune this to like whatever you want. Sorry that you guys can't see this very well. Now you probably should be able to. Oh my, okay. We're gonna like lock this here, cause so you can see everything. There's this color mode, which just changes it to like a single color, and you can change it to like a bunch of different colors. And of course, you could use this thing and change it to other colors if you want. There's also this white mode, which makes it like really bright. As you can see, it's really bright in here right now. You can change this to like stuff, and of course, you can use the these buttons right here to change like the tune. The FX button is the cool one. It does like these ones where you can like change the color. Of course, you could use these again, like I said. One of the cool ones I found is this one. This one kind of this one, the brightness kind of makes it really bad. But yeah, as you can see right here, this one actually kind of looks like, it kind of looks like the Windows like 7 like spinning thing, or like the Windows 10 and 11 spinning thing. It kind of looks like that. So yeah, that's pretty cool. That's basically like a demonstration on what this is. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, actually now.